Okay, here we have the last part of the three-part series. I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from your Coinbase into your MetaMask, and then how to link your MetaMask to OpenSea, which is where you're gonna buy and sell your NFTs. So first things first, let's hop on OpenSea. I'll have this one linked inside the description, so go ahead and click it down below. Okay, let it load up a bit. And like I said, this is pretty much the eBay for NFTs. So you go ahead and explore through it later. But right now, I'm gonna just show you how to link it so you guys can start buying. So we're gonna go to wallet. Boom. You don't have to sign in with Google no more. It's just gonna be a login with MetaMask. It's gonna bring in your MetaMask information. By the way, I did log into my personal MetaMask, so I have like a little bit of money in here. So you'll see that. Next, go ahead and connect. Connecting. Boom. Now you're logged in. And there it is. Simple as that. So I want to show you the step of sending money to your MetaMask, how you're going to fund this. So here's your wallet address. You're going to copy the clipboard. You're going to go to Coinbase. You're going to send money or send Ethereum. Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay, I'll delete this in a bit. Okay, I don't know why they signed me out of Coinbase, but whatever. This thing's tripping. Okay, so yeah, we're going to send money to our MetaMask. That's how we're going to fund our NFTs. All right, if it wants to load. Come on. Sends received temporarily disabled or can disable for Cardano. Okay, that's cool. I don't want to send Cardano. So we're going to change it to Ethereum. And here we go. Make sure you're on the sending side. So you're sending from Coinbase into MetaMask. So send ETH. We're sending ETH. Send all. I only have 30 bucks. And where's it going to? MetaMask. So we're just going to go ahead and paste that wallet we just copied. And so you could leave a note like and subscribe and then continue. And this is where they fuck you. So the Coinbase fee, the network fees, like I said, there's gas fees. There's videos you can look on this. Just type in what are gas fees, and pretty much it's what operates the whole Ethereum. It's all the computers that process all the transactions. So they take their cut. That's what gas fees. If there's a lot of people on it, it's gonna be more expensive. So it is what it is. That's Ethereum for you. Send now. All right, they sent me a text. Okay, okay. All right, this transaction usually takes 10 minutes. 0.0071167. So $22 is gonna get sent into my MetaMask, and you will see it reflected on here. Did it go through? I think it went through. Maybe. Let's refresh. Okay, I don't know if it went through, but it's gonna go through. So, anyways, yeah, you're already linked. You're in here, ready to go. So here's your profile. And here's some stuff I hold. And yeah, you could explore, man. So whatever you want to look up, man. We go into in depth on how to find projects and stuff like that. But here's the floor price. It operates on ETH. It doesn't operate on US dollars, so keep that in mind. ETH in 0.147, so you would pay like 0.08. And then you could always just check, you know, it'll show you once you're buying like what the actual transaction is going to cost you. So let's just do this for example. So right here, 0.075. So that'll be equivalent to $231. This is on the lower end. Obviously, a lot of projects go for a lot more, but we're choosy. We just don't buy the first thing we see. We kind of, we do our research, look into the community, the artwork, stuff like that. But we'll go into detail later. And that's it. You got your Coinbase, your MetaMask, and now your MetaMask is linked to OpenSea, and you're ready to buy. And that's it. Like and subscribe.